heading off from the Gria to go to the banyan tree in the village. The road is closed and the procession is moving from the Gria to the banyan tree. Cari di Bangkok, mesti nomor. What a great scene. The banyan tree, so there'll be nganget, which means to pull down using a knife on a pole. The leaves, if they land face up, then they're the ladies' ones they used to make the spirit effigies for the puspa, which are usually made by a head Brahmin or the king of temples, or the Raja Badung, depends. Probably be a padanda for Nini. Meyakinkan so back in the Balai Prawedan, yet another gorgeous backdrop. Afternoon traffic, all the beginning with their white umbrellas, white and yellow, all watercolors. Today is the first day that the little white fans come out. I must admit the andesite makes a good background for the white umbrellas. This used to be the most exquisite red brick temple designed by Padanda Sidaman, Made Sidaman from Banjar Taman in Sanur, great architect. Now it's the new transformed Brontosaurus style. Covering all bases here with sacred oil, Brahmin magic. So off go the cleaning division, the spiritual cleaning. Quickly followed by the Laskar Bali Juniors here. Bear cubs. Cleansing ritual for the banyan tree. Special sprinkling for the Sri Sadhana figures. Ground offerings. The boss to occupy as boss like day. I love the main arterial Denpasar road going through the middle of the ceremony. The priest was writing down the gods for the 7 prayers, so he didn't forget, he said. Little pendant around the tree. It's Kung sister. The gorgeous Kung Ayu. Now married to Tabana. They danced before. Le momo se banca. Le momo se banca na ciao. Ben yang ego. Terus, May bedit mandi galang.
Mandi galang. Baru mandi.
Tampon. Pedanda is now moving off his pavilion platform to start the collection of the leaves, the Nganget ritual, which is rather fabulous. One of those rare times when Pedandas come down and perform a magic knife collection ritual. So Mangku Dharma with the Pedanda, very proud to be holding. This Johnny just kissed the Pedanda's hand. So you could actually pull the leaf off with the knife, and down it comes and you catch it in this. Now, we get to the side. Oh, Banchita. Lanang na istri.
Lanang.
Lanang. Istri.
Lanang.
Menyamping sing banci. Wondrous. Down they come with branches of it. Sateja now hands out, and everyone gets their bring in. Lagi kayak nak balik. Jangan limbuan ini kumis tebal. Lanang, lanang, ini kumis tebal. Lanang, lanang. And these will be used for the spirit effigy. Isn't that fabulous? Everyone's ready for the march home now. I need a toilet break. Now it's 3 times around the banyan tree. Definitely a Buddhist ritual. Of course, these Shraddha ceremonies in Majapahit times, Kuseka looks great carrying that thing they must get the name of. And Kusman's wife. So leaving the banyan tree behind. So there's Nini Greer in the gold. First return of Nini Greer. Subhagus Rai's son. So to the Greer, off to the Greer. I'll duck around the back and get them coming in. Back at the Greer, all coming in. So the high pavilion's really getting pretty high now. So here comes Nini Greer, Biang Agung. Everyone gets to go up there. They're just getting the numbers right. So I guess they'll all be blessed before they can be fashioned into the spirit of the effigy. Sebelum dijadikan puspa. So I've just come across the road and this bevy of loveliness is awaiting me here. The girls and boys are ready to come to go into the little room for one night before the tooth filing. Lovely, this is the whole Greer gang and their cousins and relatives from Lombok. Putran Rusmane, Niki Chakus Lombok. Itu ada di apa tuh, house cleaning? Pest control. Kamu pest control ya? Iya, ini Raja Muda. Sudah bagus mereka. Oh, matre. Ini pest kita. Cara preman.